glorifies God when you cry to him. It glorifies God when you're broken before him. It glorifies God when people curse you in his presence, because he is the restorer of the brokenhearted. He is the healer of the sick. He is the strength to the weak. He is the sight of the blind. He is the riches of the poor. He is Jehovah. So anytime people curse you, it becomes a blessing. Anytime people take away from you, it becomes a what you need is God. Nobody shares my glory. Nobody shares my glory. So whatever has been fighting you has not been fighting you, has been fighting the glory of God. And I have news for you. I have news for you. God is about to step into a situation and fight for you. He said,